I do programming, I do collection development, and I feel like I hit the nail on the head most of the time. But I'm a crafter, and our crafting programs were going downhill, and I kind of took it personally. And then we looked at the Analytics On Demand, and no one in our community really buys crafting books. We really don't have crafters. And I thought, oh, okay. No wonder. So we canned the crafting programs. Our teens were not interested in it. Young adults were not interested in it. Our seniors were not interested in it. So we let that go. However, we also saw that our patrons were tremendously interested in diet, health, and exercise. And our director said to me, well, I guess that makes sense because of all the moms that come in their yoga pants. And, it's obvious. You see it every day. So we have decided now our collection of diet, health, and exercise materials was already pretty robust. But this gave us the push to take a look at that collection, make sure, it's up to date. Do we have old things we need to get rid of? What's circulating? And also to plan programming in place of those crafting programs that were not doing anything. So one of our recently retired school librarians is starting a new yoga business. And so we'll be doing some programming with her in the next year, and also looking at other ways to incorporate this health and exercise into our programming, and do a little bit of targeted outreach to bring people into those programs and see how they go.
We have a library and a storefront, and we'll be building an official library for this community. And so we have to work with the county architects and their real estate office and all of that. And in the conversations, it became enormously clear to me that the county staff didn't understand their demographic in that area. So I said, let me just run up to my office. I ran upstairs, got the report for this particular location, and gave it to them and said, you might want to read this, and then for our next meeting, we can have a conversation, because they had no clue. They understood roads and things like that because that's what they worry about, but they didn't understand the people there. And the architect said that it was one of the best reports they had seen.